Some more breaking news coming in, viewers. At least 14 active terrorists have been identified by the forces and the agencies. That's what we're breaking. 14 active terrorists from Srinagar, from Shopian, from Pulwama. Security forces have identified these local terrorists. These are active local terrorists across various districts. And this list includes individuals affiliated with the groups such as the Lashkar-e-Taiba, the Jaish-e-Mohammed, the Hizbul Mujahideen, and the resistance from the TRF. So these are at least 14 active terrorists that have been identified by the security forces, and that's the breaking news we're getting in right now. Zeenat, I think Zeenat is back with us. Zeenat, well, of course, very important to identify these active terrorists, but also, of course, hunt them down. Tell us more, please, about these 14 terrorists.
See, Rakshita, now we are seeing that the security agencies are zeroing as far the local terrorist network is concerned. They have identified 14 terrorists, and those all hail from Srinagar, Shopian and Pulwama. That means one is from the Central Kashmir, and the two districts that have been touched are from the South Kashmir. When it comes to the local terrorists who have been active, most of the terrorists come from Jaish, Lashkar, and one or two from the Hizbul Mujahideen, which is a homegrown terror network or the terror outfit. From Sopore, they have identified Adil Rahman, who's a 19-year-old boy and has been active since 2021. That means in the terror business for around 5 years, and he's also the district commander of LET. Then we come to Avantipora, part of Pulwama, South Kashmir, where Asif has been identified, who's active since 2022. From Pulwama, it is Abdur Rashid Sheikh and Haris Nazir. Again in LET terrorists active since 23. That means they joined the business 2 years back. Then as far as Shopian is concerned, Asif Khande, who is from Hizbul Mujahideen, a homegrown terror network, active since 2015. That means a decade-long time he has given in terror business and quite active and a commander of Hizbul Mujahideen. Then again Shahid Kutte, who's active since 2023, and again we saw a demolition drive at his residence today. Zubair Wani, he's from Anantnag but with the HM. And Harun Ganai, he's active since June 21. Kulgam Zakir Ganai. Yes, Zakir Ganai is the same person, same terrorist who's active since 2023, active with the LET outfit, and whose house has also been demolished. These are the numbers and the figures and the identity of those 14 active terrorists who hails from Srinagar, Pulwama and Kulgam.